Hey guys, it's your girl Koya Renee and I'm back with another video. So today I just wanted to do this little bubblegum Barbie look for you all. It's actually inspired by a makeup artist on Instagram. Her name is Beauty by Melissa, something like that, y'all. But y'all, she slays makeup and I love her work, y'all. And I'm just like, I gotta recreate it, like I got to. And this is the look that I came up with once I recreated her look. Y'all know I love some glitter eyes for y'all, honey. Yes! Yes! Anyways, without further ado, stay tuned for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I love you all, and let's get started. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be priming with my p.louise base in the shade Rumor 3. And I'm just going to put that all over my lids. At first, y'all, I used to put it on the back of my hands, but I didn't used to use as much product when I used it on the back of my hands. So I just find that spreading it across with the actual tube works better for me and it saves the product. Then I'm just going to go in with my brush and blend it by patting the product into my lids. Next, y'all, I'm going to take my Zulu palette from Juvia's Place and I'm going to go in with that purple shade and I'm going to use that as our first eyeshadow to lay on our lids today. After that, I'm going to take that pink shade and I'm going to go across the top of that purple shade and I'm just going to blend it in together so that it can have a gradient effect. Then I'm going to take my Kylie Jenner's Peachy palette and I'm going to take that dark blue and I'm just going to put it just before that purple shade and I'm going to blend it into that purple shade as well. Next, I'm going back in with my Juvia's Place palette and I'm going to take that turquoise kind of light blue shade and I'm going to put it above that dark blue eyeshadow and I'm just going to blend it in with the other colors. So next I'm gonna do this unnecessary step. Like I don't know why I did it, y'all. I just did it thinking I'm gonna get a better effect. But I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal and I'm going to use that to cut my crease today. And the reason that I'm not going back in with that p.louise base, y'all, is because I feel like the p.louise base is a great product. However, I feel like it's best used when you're using matte eyeshadows. So if you're going to use like a shimmer color or some glitter colors, like I just feel like it's unnecessary to go in with the p.louise base because it's going to give you the same effect because you're going to put glitter on top of it. So it's not like it's going to pop a little bit more. It's going to do the same thing that it would if you're using any other concealer or any other eyeshadow base. So then I'm going to go in with my favorite palette, y'all, from Jaclyn Hill's. And I'm going to go in with that light pink shimmer shade. And that's going to be used as our base color today. But we're going to go in and put glitter over that color. But we're just going to use that for our base color today. So I'm going to use 3 different glitters today. I mixed all 3 of them, guys, but I used more of the pink more than any other glitters. And I'm just going to pat the glitter in. I also use a glitter adhesive. And I can't remember where I got the glitter adhesive from, unfortunately. But you can use any kind of glitter adhesive that works for you. And I'm just going to pat that in on top of that shimmer shade. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and take off that unnecessary like tape, y'all. And I'm just going to use my makeup wipe to clean up any mistakes that I made. That's what I should have did in the first place. But I'm going to go in with my NYC liquid liner, and I'm just going to line my lids. And then once I'm done with that, guys, I'm going to take this white liner from Ruby Kisses, and I'm going to put that on top of the black liner. Also, another thing that I wanted to add about this white liner, y'all, was it was very like opaque, like it was very see-through-ish, and I had to end up putting on like 3 different layers. Also, I was very kind of like messy with it. I couldn't really get like a good grip, so it got a little messy. But I went back in with my black liner and cleaned up any mistakes that I made, and then I went back in with my makeup remover wipe. So guys, I have some Super Stay foundation from Maybelline, and I got this the other day, and I really do like this product. It was very full coverage, and I love me a good full coverage foundation, y'all. And it was nothing but $10, honey. Yes, foundation on a budget. Yes. So y'all, I'm gonna go in with my favorite concealer from Maybelline, and it's almost gone, y'all, but I don't care. I'ma scrape till it's gone, honey. I got a new one, y'all. But I'm gonna use this till it's gone, honey. I'ma scrape the bottom. I don't believe in wasting product. So I'm just going to conceal underneath my eyes, y'all, down the bridge of my nose, and on the center of my forehead. So to set my concealer today, I'm just going to use Sacha Buttercup by itself today. I usually use my Sacha Buttercup mixed with my Topaz, but I said let me see how this works by itself today. So I used it by itself today, and the results was okay. I honestly like it way more better with the Topaz, y'all. I feel like it just gives me a better finish, especially because for us chocolate girls, I feel like some of these products sometimes can look a little light yellowish on us, but I always go over my the powder that I set with some mineralized skin finish, or with some brown powder that I got from Maybelline. So next I'm going to go in with my lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's in the shade Honey. Then I'm just going to line underneath my eyes with some black eyeshadow. Then I'm going to take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Deep Dark, and I'm just going to set all over my face with this. Then I'm going to take that Dream Water, aka MAC setting spray, and I'm going to use that to spray on my face and set everything in place. Then I highlight it with Anglola highlighter. And then y'all, this is the finished look, y'all. Like, I hope you all enjoyed this look. Make sure you all share this video. Be sure to subscribe, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe, honey. Watch some more videos. Don't click on this video and click off. Click on another video. Make sure you watch the whole video, and then give me a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what else you all want to see on my channel. Love y'all.